Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you a tour of the 876 commercial complex. This is the most successful commercial complex, modern commercial complex in Jamaica. It's 94 acres and it's what you call a game changer for Jamaica. Now the government, this is a privately held or privately done development. The government is trying to build a complex like this. Their complex is just down the road, literally less than a minute away. It's called a Raintree Commercial Complex, and it's being done by the UDC. And it's going to be bigger than this complex. This complex is 94 acres. The Raintree Commercial Complex is 108 acres. Now, this is the future of development, commercial warehouse development in Jamaica. The days of having those old factories on a small piece of land are gone. Companies, factories, manufacturing entities, this is what they want. A well laid out development with proper infrastructure right beside the highway. To the right, that is Mandela Highway. Takes you to any part of Jamaica. So the government announced recently, or the UDC announced recently, that the Raintree Commercial Complex is 50% sold. So that's a good sign for developments in Jamaica. So we're going to give you an update on what's happening with the Raintree Commercial Complex. The Raintree Commercial Complex represents a major step forward in Jamaica's push to modernize its business infrastructure and expand economic activity beyond traditional urban centers. Developed by the Urban Development Corporation, this large-scale project is strategically located in the Caymanas area of St. Catherine along the Mandela Highway corridor. Its design as a mixed-use commercial and light industrial hub positions it to become one of the most important economic zones in the Kingston metropolitan region. Spanning approximately 108 acres, the Raintree Commercial Complex is being developed with modern infrastructure to support logistics, warehousing, manufacturing, and distribution. The project includes dozens of service lots equipped with essential utilities such as water, electricity, road access, and drainage systems. This level of planning reflects a shift in how Jamaica approaches industrial development, moving away from informal or piecemeal expansion towards structured, investment-ready business environments. A key indicator of the project's success so far is that it has already reached roughly 50% occupancy through land sales or lease agreements, even before full completion. This level of early uptake demonstrates strong confidence from the private sector. Importantly, many of the investors are not new entrants, but established Jamaican companies seeking to expand or relocate their operations. This suggests that Raintree is meeting a real and urgent need for space, particularly as Kingston becomes increasingly congested and land prices continue to rise. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.